Hi team, I'm Kriti and I'm from Bangalore. To give you a quick synopsis of my background, I'm a mother of two small munchkins as well as a seasoned IT professional with over a decade of experience primarily in the telecom industry. Following that, I took a job sabbatical as a caregiver to focus on my personal and my family's well-being and to nurture my children through other formative years. I'm very pleased to inform that on October 27, I have joined Pfizer as a tech lead with the GBS QMI team. I want to take this time to thank the organization for believing in me and providing me with the opportunity to improve my abilities and restart my career. My first several weeks were spent going through the onboarding process and learning the ropes of my new job, and I'm still learning. What strikes me particularly as noteworthy is how strongly the one component of orange connects with the person that I am. Uh, on a concluding note, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. I'm very excited to work with you and get to know each and every one of you here. Have a great day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Raman. I'm from NSP Chennai team. I joined in the month of July. Pfizer has provided me a wonderful platform for learning. It encourages employees to continuously learn, and various initiatives out of that which I like are Leaderboard, Udemy, Secure Code Warrior. Pfizer also has a wonderful work culture. They give so much importance to diversity. Out of the various initiatives which were led by Pfizer for diversity, one of them which I personally like is Forward for Her program, where they rehire people with career break. Overall, it has been a wonderful journey with Pfizer. Thank you.
Hi, this is Trinidhi. We joined Pfizer a couple of months back as a Scrum Master. So far, it's been a wonderful experience for me here. I like the importance that is being given to the work-life balance and the employee-first culture that is practiced here in Pfizer. Also, to see that the products that are offered here playing a major role in the day-to-day transactions in this digital world makes me feel proud of being part of Pfizer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Balashashar is here. I joined Pfizer in August as a fresher candidate only. I joined here without any prior knowledge of the proceedings what they are conducting here. But then I underwent the training process, started learning about how the things works here. I love how this company encourages her employees to learn and upgrade themselves. I am quite confident that I could be an incredible software testing engineer soon. I take this opportunity to thank everyone to the team for providing a good platform for learning and continuous support. Thank you so much.
My name is Ashutosh Samantarai and I joined Pfizer in June 2021. Currently, I work as a developer for the NSP Chennai team. First of all, it has been a great experience for me since day one here at Pfizer. The kind of work that we do in collaboration with global teams is what makes Pfizer an exciting place to work at. The cooperation and the support that I receive from my teammates makes work life very easy. Some of the initiatives like the employee reward programs, the COVID vaccination drives, and the wellness programs are some of the things which I personally like. Overall, I think Pfizer gives this excellent platform to learn and grow both individually and professionally. And I hope to continue this journey with Pfizer in coming years.
Hi all, I'm Sushmita. I recently graduated in the year 2020 and Pfizer was my first organization. I'm glad to have started my career journey with one of the topmost fintech companies in the world. As a fresher, Pfizer was a great platform to learn and I get to work with exceptional colleagues from whom I drew inspiration and knowledge from, and they all provide a constant support to me. I would like to thank the Fun Club for providing me this opportunity and wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.
Hello everyone, my name is Anusana. I've joined German acquiring Emacs team at Pfizer Pune office. I joined the organization on 2nd of December 2021 as a senior software associate, software development engineering. My experience at Pfizer has been excellent so far. Coming from a service-based company into a product-based company is just like a dream come true. Here in this organization, everything is very well synchronized and the work environment is very soothing, though we are digitally connected under new normal guidelines. My team is very helpful and supportive, and I am under a great leadership group. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chetna. I've joined Pfizer as a TAP associate in August 2021. I'm part of boarding and maintenance team under Global Services. I feel lucky to start my career with Pfizer. Right from the beginning, everything has been a very swift and a fulfilling experience. I'm especially thankful to Balaji for being a great mentor and my team members Srini, Chaitanya, Rekha and Kasturi for taking their time out for the KT sessions in spite of the busy schedules. For making sure that my development is steady on the required technologies. Having so many smart and experienced people around me is helping me explore this industry and Pfizer business. Although what I've learned till now is just a drop in the ocean, I strongly believe that sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. And Pfizer has given me a great start to it. I hope that on this journey of commitment to lifelong learning, I can polish myself to add value and contribute to Pfizer's success. Hashtag Pfizer Proud.
Hey, hello everyone. This is Bala. So first of all, thank you for the recruiters who selected me. So I have joined Pfizer at August 31st this year. So now I'm part of OmniPQA team. Such a wonderful team. So the managers, our senior associates and team leads are very supportive with my works. And I'm happy to work with this team. And I'm looking forward to work. And I'm glad to say I'm part of Pfizer. So wish you all a happy Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shalini. It's great to be a part of Pfizer family and working under Arvind's team as an associate quality assurance engineering. In the beginning, I was so scared. Now things are going great. I have learned many new things in every aspects. In my team, everyone supports me, guides me, helps me to improve myself. Thank you all. Looking forward to work with you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi all, happy to meet you all through this meeting. This is Ramya Devi. I recently joined Pfizer in the month of October. So far the journey is really good in terms of the onboarding, orientation, getting along with the team. Everything has been fantastic. Looking forward to work with you all. Having said that, I would like to quote one of the important core values at Pfizer which I liked most is inspire and achieve excellence. So I would like to inspire each other and achieve excellence through teamwork. Having said that, I would like to thank the Fun Club for this opportunity to share my experience as a new joiner and also wish everyone a very happy New Year and also Merry Christmas. Stay safe.
Hi, this is Santosh and thanks for giving the opportunity to share my experience in Pfizer. I was joined October as a software development engineer in EMEA Cloud of team. The most I was like in Pfizer to share my opinion to everyone like managers and TLs and also they are encouraging me to share my opinion to all the meetings and all the activities. And also I like employment engage program like Fun Friday. It is really helped me to get know more details about my TLs and managers and my colleagues as well as and also initially I was facing some technical challenges. It is really my colleagues helped to overcome from that. I want to thank for them in this moment and also I want to give the thanks for my managers and HR for smooth onboarding process. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Balashati from Chennai. I recently joined Pfizer and this is my second company. I'm really proud to be a part of Pfizer and also I want to use this opportunity to thank each and everyone who are working with me and who are helping me out to get the product knowledge and hope we all meet real soon and wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Aditya and I joined Pfizer in August through the TAP program and from the very first day it has been a very pleasant experience. There were certain preconceived notions I had about MNCs and how big corporates used to work day and night, and there was no room for mistakes. But since the day I joined, Pfizer has been breaking those notions day by day. It is a privilege to work alongside seasoned professionals and learn from them, and have the privilege to call them my colleagues. From the very top of the hierarchy to all the TAP associates who joined with me, everyone has been very supportive, helpful, and encouraging. I've learned that there's a lot of room to make mistakes, learn from them, and then contribute to something global. So I would just like to thank everyone for being so supportive and welcoming, and wish you all a very happy new year, and hope to meet you all soon.
Hey guys, this is Yash, and I recently joined Pfizer. The best thing that I like about Pfizer is the management support. So thumbs up for that.
Hello everyone, I am Purushottam Prasoon. I joined Pfizer on 26th July at Bangalore location, and then I am part of the SCM team. Honestly, if I can tell you, then till my interview process I was not much aware about the company Pfizer. But nowadays when I see the logo of this Pfizer on any POS machine during my shopping, then really it makes me proud, and then I am very much happy that I have chosen the right company. Also, the till now experience is very good. My SCM team is awesome and very supportive. I easily mingled with my team. And here the onboarding process is very smooth and easier, and all the processes are very well documented in the wiki page. Also, I can see so much learning curve here, because in SCM team there are lots of tools are involved, lots of new tools are involved, which is good for my career growth. So really I can see very good career growth in my future. So thank you everyone, and I wish you Merry Christmas well in advance. Thank you.
Hello, I am Naimisha. I recently joined this organization in July 2021 as a TAP analyst. Since this is my first job after my graduation, the campus to corporate sessions that I had in my first week helped me to learn quite new things, and they changed my view from student to an employee. Later on, I joined an OmniPay project under manager Bala. The skills and qualities that I am learning within this role making me a highly proficient and an organized employee. My manager and my team are very supportive to me and have been encouraging me in learning new things, setting more and more goals as an employee. Apart from work, I'm also experiencing fun through Friday fun sessions and events by GBS Simia Fun Club. Even I organized a game in one event which boosted my confidence in handling quite new things that I am afraid of. Thank you.